In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up mini games in Mix It Up. So mini games are a fun little mini game feature in Mix It Up where your viewers can play it through a chat command. So I'm going to show you the steps I took in order to set mine up that I have already active on my Mix It Up. So in order to set up mini games for your chat, you want to go up to the menu and go down to games. And then you're going to see a list of games I already have active on my stream. So if you want to make a new one, you go down to new game. And then there's going to be a drop-down menu at the top, and it will show you a list of all the games. And if you click on one, it will give you a description on how it's played out and what happens if somebody wins. So the first one I have is Coin Pusher. So if we find Coin Pusher on the drop-down menu, it will say the Coin Pusher game allows users to deposit a specific amount of currency into a machine for a chance to win a large payout. So in order to get the games set up, I believe you have to have a currency system set up on Mix It Up. So if you don't have a currency system set up, I'll link a tutorial that I made on how to set up a currency system. So the currency system in Mix It Up is kind of like Twitch's channel points, where when your viewer spends like a certain amount of time watching your stream, they will earn this amount of currency, and you can rename it. I named mine Culture Coins, so it's all customizable. You can give them like a certain amount per minute or an hour or however. It's all customizable. You can set it up however you like. Like I said, the tutorial to that video will be down in the description below, but this is what happens when you play Coin Pusher. So if we go to Twitch chat and do !Coin Pusher, it will say Uncultured Steve drops their coins into the machine and nothing happens. All 120 coins stares back at you. So it's going to show you how many coins there are in the Coin Pusher machine. So if we do this one more time. So as you can see, that number increased by 10. So it costs 10 currency to play that Coin Pusher game. And every time somebody loses, that currency stays in the Coin Pusher machine. So there's a good chance of someone winning a large payout after it stacks up over time. So we will try this out one more time. Steve dropped their coins into the machine. Nothing happens. All 140 coins stares back at you. So now we're going to go back into Mix It Up, and I'm going to show you the special identifiers and how I have this set up. So in order to set up the currency, if you want to add like a larger amount on how to play it, the currency is right here. You can just add a certain number. It's already a default at 10. So you can add like 100 culture coins or whatever, however many you want. So I just left that all default. The minimum payout is 1,000 culture coins. So if somebody wins, it's going to be 1,000. You can add the command messages here. This is all default. I never changed anything right here. These are the special identifiers, and it's going to show you how many culture coins there are in the Coin Pusher machine. So I don't think I changed anything. I might have changed the minimum payout number in here, but everything is pretty much at default for this one. So now the second one I have is the slot machines. So if we go down to new game, as you can tell, the slot machine, everybody knows what a slot machine is. So the slot machine game picks a random set of 3 symbols from a predefined list and selects an outcome from the machine and symbol. So it's typically just like a normal slot machine. So here are my settings. Everything is, I believe, at default. I never changed it. I might have changed the user payout on a few of these. So we will test this out. Slots. And as you can see, I type that command in, it'll give me a random 3 symbol icon right here. And it says I walked away with 100 culture coins. So I won 100 culture coins right there. Slots. There's another random list of 3 symbols, and it looks like I did not win. So now that one's pretty easy to set up. I didn't change anything in the settings right there. So the next one we're going to talk about is steal. So if we go down to new group, and everybody knows what stealing is. The steal game allows a user to attempt to steal currency from another user. So when they type this command in, I have this set up as 0 culture coins, so there's no currency. I deleted the currency system, so it's free to steal from other users. So the user chance, I believe I changed these. The user is 50% a sub. Whoever subscribes to me, they have a better chance of winning, and a mod is at 65% chance of winning this. So if we go into the Twitch chat and type in steal, it will say Steve stole 0 culture coins from, and that is a bot that follows me, I guess. We'll do steal again, see what happens. The command is on cooldown. So there is another feature you can do is if you want to reduce the spam, you can go up to this clock up here, click the clock, and the steal per person is 240 seconds. So nobody can try to spam and try to steal more culture coins than like someone else who isn't around that much. So I have a cooldown on that one, and then a trivia. This one's pretty cool. So everybody knows what trivia games are. So you can actually close or hide the use questions online feature, so you don't have like random questions nobody like knows. So what I did was I made my own custom questions about the stream and like my like personal likings and stuff like that. So this one is a pretty cool feature. So I have the win amount at 100, and the time on how to get your answer back is 120 seconds, so 2 minutes. So we will close that, minimize this, and I'll do trivia. And then it will pick a random question from that list I made. And it said, Steve started a game of trivia. Type the number of the answer following the question. What is Steve's favorite thing to do in COD? Number 1, get wins. Number 2, rage. Number 3, snipe. Or number 4, spectate. So you want to type that number in. We'll do 3 because I love sniping. And then you got to wait the 2 minutes until the timer runs out, and it'll give you your answer. And if you answer it correctly, you will win that 100 culture coins. So in order to wait for that, we will go down to the wheel. And the wheel is just like a spin the wheel. You can spin it, and you have a better chance of winning. I'll customize this. You can win like culture coins and other stuff. So we will test this one out right here while we wait for the trivia game to end. So it says, congrats, Steve, you just won 20 culture coins. So they have like a better chance of like getting involved in earning culture coins. I don't think there's a cooldown on this one. So I spun it again, and it says I lost the spin. Do it one more time. Nothing happened. So that's just like a little fun feature in Mix It Up to spin the wheel and have people earn culture coins if they're not around that often. So now the last one, my favorite one, is the lockbox. So a lockbox is like a safe game where users try to guess the combination code to the lockbox, and if they win, they earn that prize money that is inside. So I have a initial amount, so every time someone wins it, it resets back to 1,000 culture coins. The combination is a 3-digit code, and it's all random. So real quick, I just got the notification that the trivia game ended. So the correct answer was snipe. Everybody who guessed it correctly won 100 culture coins. So whoever guesses the trivia question correctly, they win that 100 culture coins. So the questions are based around the stream. So if the regular viewers stop by, they have a better chance of winning. More like the people that are like randoms and stuff like that in the stream. So now back at the lockbox. Like the initial amount is 1,000 culture coins, a combination. You got to guess a 3 combination code. I haven't figured out the stream information because you're supposed to like have a command for this, and it will tell you like just like little like status information on like what's in the box and everything. I was trying to figure out a command so viewers can see what is all in the box and how many culture coins there is. So another feature for the lockbox is anytime someone uses this command, it costs them 50 culture coins. So anytime they use it, they put their own 50 culture coins into the lockbox, so it adds up over time. And whenever somebody guesses that combination code, they win all that money. So it could go up to like 20,000 culture coins. So I'll give you an example on how this looks. So we will do lock box and then space, and then we're going to guess just a 3-digit number, 586. So I said I dropped 50 culture coins into the lockbox, and the combination is 586, but the lockbox doesn't unlock. Their guess was too high. So it gave me a little hint saying my guess was too high, so it's a number below 586. There's a total of 1,300 culture coins in the box, so it's going to show you how many culture coins they can win from guessing that combination. So another thing I did, since it gives you a hint on the number, like where it is on the scale, so people can pinpoint it pretty easily. So I did a timer on it. So I did 240 seconds. So about like 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes on that lockbox, so they can't keep spamming it and try to pinpoint it right away. So after like 3 or 4 minutes, they can try to guess the combination again. And it's just a fun little feature. And like I said, if you go down to new game, there's going to be a drop down on all of these other fun little chat games for your viewers to play in chat. So that is how you set up mini games on Mix It Up. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I'm always checking my YouTube, see if anybody left a comment and need help and whatnot. So if you enjoyed the video or learned something new, make sure you subscribe and like the channel. I'm trying to currently reach 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, and hopefully this helped somebody out. And thank you for stopping by and watching this video, and have a great day.